All right, everybody, we're in Bratislava, Slovakia, and going to do an apartment tour of what we've got. We've been here. Actually, we rented the place for 4 nights, so I'm going to show you what our apartment looks like here in Bratislava. So this is the front entrance. You'll see we've got a security key, and you do that and buzzes you in. And we were fortunate to actually get an apartment that is on the first, I guess we'll go up the first steps, but here's the apartment, and let's go inside and see what we got. So as you come in, you get this little entrance foyer, and on one side you've got the bathroom, but let's just start here in the bedroom. You can see it's got plenty of room, a big window. Plenty of closet space. Extra bedding. And same over here, you get, forget all the stuff in there, but we've got extra bedding and pillows. Go across the hall. Big bathroom. Comes with a big shower. Nice. The bonus to this apartment, I would say, and I'm sure the wife would agree, is it comes with a washing machine and a little bit unusual for Europe is a dryer. So I'll just take you out here, spin you around again. Now we're going to head into the kitchen area. Got a nice big table here. Big cooktop and an oven. Lots of cabinet space. Comes with a kettle, coffee maker. Had all kinds of glasswares, cups, coffee cups, even come with some coffee. Lots of glasses, plates to eat. Utensils. So it came pretty well supplied for stuff to cook, which traveling on a budget and we grocery shop. Nice view outside. Lots of cupboard space. Microwave. Additional storage. Big refrigerator. Of course, there's not a lot of stuff in there because we're actually filming on our last day and not much in there. Good cool air conditioning. And here we go into the living room area. Nice comfortable sofa. Nice big window. And again, there's a little park area that we're near. Comes with a TV. And look at there, retired Rome's on the TV watching YouTube. Take you over here. We can look out on the street. You can see out. So that's the tour. We'll also show some of the area around the apartment, the neighbors, the neighborhood, some parks and public transportation.
Russell was absolutely right. I really did appreciate having a separate washer and dryer in this apartment. Quirky thing here was this little swing in the living room. No, we didn't try it out, but it was interesting. The next thing was the on-demand hot water heater, so you never ran out of water. But to me, the most important thing was the refrigerator, because we had an ice tray in there, or several ice trays, so we could get ice at any time. And if you know Europe, ice is a rarity here for sure.
We're walking out of the apartment. I'm going to show you some of the local areas near our apartment. There's a park down here. There's some cafes and stuff that are pretty good and helps out where we're at. This is one of the local parks just right out from the corner of our apartment. I thought this was pretty interesting, this little water fountain. Misty, but the rocket or whatever looks like it's smoking because of the mist. As you can see, there's quite a bit of stuff around here. Nice little quiet area we're in. So just right down the street from our apartment, we've got local transportation and waiting on the bus. So if you've liked seeing the peek into our stay here in Bratislava, we'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to see where we're off to our next great adventure, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like all of our videos and come on along and see where we're going next. Thanks and have a blessed day.
Thanks.